How to manage input debugging settings on Bluestacks AppPlayer. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple, so please keep watching until the end. First thing you have to do is go to Bluestacks. As you can see, this is the home page right here. Now all what you have to do is so simple, just go here and click on settings, and now all what you have to do is just go here and click on advanced, and after you click on advanced, as you can see, you will find this input debugging option, and you can now manage the settings from here. And after you finish, click save changes. As you can see, it was very easy, so please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end of this video.